Are you tired of repetitive tasks in Excel? So this is the solution. You can use macros to automate all your tasks. Let's get into the PC. First open Excel, then create a blank workbook, then go to the developer tab. If you don't know how to get this developer tab, you can click on the ribbon, customize the ribbon, and then you can see there's option called developer. So you have to tick this and then OK. That's all. Then you will be able to see the developer tab here. Now, if you need to make a macro, you have to go to the macros section. Here we can see only generated macros. Okay, how to generate one? You can see there's a record macro button here. You can click it. So then just give a name for the macro like hello macro. Then you can give a shortcut key like Ctrl J or something like that. So then you have to use this in the workbook. So just, and you can type something like description. Okay, maybe what does this macro do? Okay, then click OK. So after that, you can make a repetitive task. Okay, you can create a repetitive task. Like just think you need to create a table here. Then go home. So I just selected all the things here. Excel A1 to G line. Now I'm going to give it a border. All borders. So then I will type in C6 cell as 50 and also in G3 cell as 60. Okay, now I need to apply a background color to this area, so I'm going to give dark blue. Okay, that's all. So this is just a simple task. Okay, now if you want to stop the recording, macro recording, so all the tasks have been recorded already. Now you have to go to the developer tab again, then stop recording. Okay, now you can see actually there was nothing happened. Okay, but now what will be the magic? Just make a new sheet. Okay, then you can click Ctrl J, then you will see all the tasks we did before will be executed in a second. Okay, so after even you get another sheet, so you can click on Ctrl J, so you will be able to do that. Again another sheet, so you can use this macros, this view macros option also. So then you can see your hello macro is in the list. So finally you can click the hello macro one here, then just click on the run. So you will be able to run the same command again and again. This is just a simple thing that I could teach you about macros. Guys, with macros you can save time and streamline your work in Excel. So try creating your own macros today. So just try to do something new. Okay, maybe you repeat everything every day, but you have to make a process with macros. Bye, have a nice day.
They'll try to kick you while you're down.